now today, let's start with chapter number first, inside the system unit. In this chapter, we will study about system unit and identify components. What are the different components that we see inside the system unit? We have motherboard, we have CPU. Now identify different types of ports and what are the different ports that we see inside the system. Now system unit. What are system unit? It is the main part of computer that contains key component that is needed for the computer to work. Inside the system unit, there are important parts like motherboard. We have motherboard, CPU, that is central processing unit, memory, RAM, and storage devices like hard drive. It connects to external devices जैसा आपका monitor, keyboard और mouse हो गया. The system unit is responsible for processing and managing all the data and instruction that allow computer to run program and perform task. Now, what are the components inside the system unit? The system unit consists of several key components that work together to make a computer function. Like we have motherboard. The motherboard is like the control center of the computer. It is a large circuit board जो connect करता है other parts of the computer, जिसमें आपका CPU, memory और storage सब आ जाते हैं. All the components communicate through the motherboard, making sure that everything works together. और वो क्या श्योर करता है कि हर एक चीज क्या कर रही है, सही से वर्क कर रही है. Now we have central processing unit, CPU, which is known as brain of computer. It does all the thinking and calculation. It follows instructions from the program, perform tasks, and make sure everything happens quickly and correctly. Every time you click on something, the CPU process that action. ठीक है, जो भी आप select करोगे, CPU क्या करेगा, उस action को process करेगा. Then we have RAM. Random access memory. It is short-term memory. ये short-term memory है computer के, stores the data and programs you are using right now so the computer can process data quickly. When you play a game or work on a document, आप कोई game खेल रहे हैं, document पे काम कर रहे हैं, the computer stores the information. And RAM is temporary. So when you turn off the computer, everything in RAM is erased. ये हर एक चीज जो RAM में होती है वो erased हो जाती है. Then we have hard drive, जिसे हम SSD भी कहते हैं, which is solid state drive, computer long term storage. It holds everything that you save, like your picture, videos, games, and programs. The hard drive keeps the information even when the computer is turned off. SSD are faster and more modern than traditional hard drive. ये ज़्यादा faster होते हैं, ज़्यादा modern होते हैं than traditional hard drives. Then we have power supply unit, that is PSU, which is the part that supply electricity to the entire program. Electricity को convert करता है from your home into a farm that computer can use. Without the PSU, जो computer है उसको power नहीं मिलेगी और वो work भी नहीं करता. It is also called SMP, मतलब switch mode power supply. इसे क्या कहा जाता है? Switched mode power supply. Now cooling fans. Computer generate heat when the work and too much heat can damage the internal part. देखो अगर ज्यादा हीट होगी, too much heat क्या करती है, इंटरनल पार्ट को क्या कर देती है, डैमेज कर देती है. तो इसलिए हमारे पास क्या होता है, कूलिंग फैंस होते हैं जिनका हम यूज करते हैं टू ब्लो कूल एयर इनसाइड द कंप्यूटर. और आप क्या कर सकते हो, रिमूव कर सकते हो हॉट एयर. दिस हेल्प्स टू कीप द सिस्टम एट द राइट टेम्परेचर सो इवन एवरीथिंग वर्क्स प्रॉपर. It is fitted inside the SMT. Then we have expansion cards. They are the additional parts that can be added to system to give computer extra features. जैसे graphic card हो गए, जिससे आप pictures को, videos को अच्छा दिखा सकते हैं. Network card हो गए, जो computer को help करता है to connect to the internet. Some computer, they do not need extra parts. क्यों? Because they have motherboard already that include that feature. Then we have optical drive, that is CD and DVD, compact disc and digital versatile disc, जिनका हम use करते हैं to write, and you can use them to watch movies, listen to music, install software. Optical drives are less common in newer computer but still found in some. Now adapter cards. Adapter cards, they are the special device that you can plug into the system unit to give the command extra ability. A small circuit boards होता है that fit into the slots of motherboard. Different adapter cards to do different things. and help. Here are, for example, we have graphics card. This card make the picture and videos on your screen to look clear and smooth, especially when you are playing games or watching movies. We have sound card जो क्या करता है, improve करता है कंप्यूटर की साउंड क्वालिटी को, म्यूजिक को, मूवीज को और गेम साउंड को बेटर बनाकर. Then we have network card. This card helps the computer to connect to the internet or other computer internet, allowing for faster communication. इससे जो communication है वो भी क्या हो जाती है, faster हो जाती है. Then we have Wi-Fi calling. That is, the card allows computer to connect to wireless internet without needing a cable. आपको केबल की नीड नहीं होती, बिना केबल के आप से कनेक्ट हो सकते हो. Then we have these adapter cards helps to customize your computer to meet your needs, making it faster, more powerful, or better suited for specific tasks like gaming, watching videos, or connected to internet. Then we have ports. They places where you plug things into a system unit to connect other device. They are found on the front or back of the system. या तो आपको फ्रंट में मिलते हैं या बैक में मिलते हैं. पहला USB पोर्ट, ये कॉमन टाइप ऑफ पोर्ट है जो कनेक्ट करता है थिंग्स लाइक कीबोर्ड, माइक, your printers and USB flash ROM. Full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. Then we have HDMI port. It's used for connecting computer to a monitor or TV screen. It sends both video and sound, so you can enjoy movies and games with the high quality visual and audio. Then we have audio ports that allow you to connect headphones, speaker and microphones to your computer for listening to music or recording sound. इससे आप क्या करते हो, म्यूजिक को सुन सकते हो और साउंड्स को रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो. Then we have Ethernet port which is used to connect the computer to the internet or a network using a cable. ये आपको क्या प्रोवाइड करता है, फास्टर और मोर स्टेबल कनेक्शन. एक तो फास्टर और एक स्टेबल कनेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है. Now we have VGA, that is display port. Older types of ports that connect computer and monitor. और जो VGA है उसका हम यूज करते हैं फॉर बेसिक सप्लाई. वाई डिस्प्ले पोर्ट इज मोर मॉडर्न एंड कैन हैंडल हायर क्वालिटी वीडियो. और किसको हैंडल कर सकते हैं, हायर क्वालिटी वीडियो को. Ports allow your computer to connect and to communicate with the outside world, making it more functional and useful for different tasks like printing, like listening to music or using camera. Right? These are the different system units we have and different codes that we have in the system unit. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you.